What's up, guys? We're back. We got
another banger.
Another banger? Well, we can call it that. Kind of revised the shop today, so I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour on the new layout, and then we're gonna split these lights. Got myself a little workbench. I'm stoked. And it's even got the logo. Woo! We went above and beyond. Okay, let's... Yeah. That guy right here. He's the man. He ran the paintbrush, did some vinyl.
And then I fixed it.
And then, yeah. And then she fixed it. We got it though. She looks good. Okay, let's see the shop. As I said, project's gone. Jenny's home. Time to get some work done. This guy here thinking he knows what he's doing. But we got Sally. She's where she has been the whole time. Yeah, I got a little bit of garbage, just gotta go now. But we put some new lights in, triples, all LED. Unfortunately, these ones are motion activated, so if you see...
We're gonna replace them tomorrow.
Yeah, that's gotta get some work. Jenny Peep. But like, yeah, hung everything up on the walls. Made it so we can walk around the cars and actually be comfy. She got all her lights and everything up on her side. The Grateful flag, peeping. Our side's looking the same. We got our workbench. Underneath it now we've got all of our paint and oil and welders and bolts, and up top got our sanding and wrapping boxes. Flip side's the Genesis, Sally's the G, and then all the projects for like our wrapping jobs coming in and such. Got all our Hot Wheels. Yeah, I'm gonna get you guys set up on the bench here. We've got a little phone holder. We're gonna see how this works. Show you guys what's up. Should be able to just have a nice little work spot and you can see. I mean, this works pretty good. I'm stoked. We even get to look at him. Instagram, Scuba GTS. If you guys are looking for it, he's got a Celica. It's parked outside. It'll be on and off the channel probably here and there.
No, it won't. No.
He's not gonna show you his secrets. But we got our light set up. Let's move you down. And we're gonna get the lens off of this one. So on the back side, we've got a couple little screws. There's one buried right here. Two, I've had these apart a lot. Another one right here. I think that's all of them. And then it's just silicone back together from last time. But we'll get to it. So I'm gonna speed this part up, but
Send them to me.
when we get to splitting the cover off,
And on my glass.
I'm just gonna get a little screwdriver in there and we're gonna slowly work the silicone free. These were just resealed last winter, so it shouldn't be too bad. And yeah, we'll just kind of work our way all the way around and then we just pull it apart. But we gotta be really careful. If you're splitting the Spec-D ones, there's a little wire that is plugged into the brow. So it plugs into the sequential right here. On the first one I ever did, I broke it. Watch yourself. When you pull these apart, just be gentle. I'm not gonna repeat that problem, but hopefully. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, we're just gonna get the heat gun going. Apparently it wants to go. And just kind of heat this top edge a little bit because I think I'm gonna be able to pry it out some here. We'll get started. At least we can start splitting it then. Who needs the gym? Just build cars.
There you go. Ta-da! This is the one you broke.
Yeah. These wires, that's what I'm talking about. See the butt connectors? Like she said, I broke it. I'll show you once we get this cover off, but they're plugged in right here. You just pinch. And in a perfect world, that would just come out. No, it's the board. Voila. Good thumbnail? Yeah.
You're an idiot.
So, I actually think we're gonna be able to remove this whole housing because we gotta paint that, right? We wanted to paint the inside. So,
I'll move this.
we'll get that one out of there. The brains. I'm considering smoking out the fog light, like the big chrome bezel. I know it's pointless, it does the opposite, but it would give me a nice black housing everywhere. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Is it smart? Bad idea? I don't know. You can always just take them back apart, right, I guess? Sometimes my brain. Looks like we're gonna go really deep into these. So I'll probably pull all the boards off. Now, does this come out? Typically, when you see screws, it means yes. But I can't say I've ever tried. Get some of that silicone out of here so we can see what's going on. Stupid light. Holy crap.
Hey, it worked. Okay.
Clears?
I'll take this.
So, on the back of this, you have your sequential and your daytime running light. And I think what it looks like, if you look close in the corner here, it looks like there's a little clip. And we'll be able to pull the eyebrow out, which would make painting it a lot easier. Unfortunately, the covers we want to paint are molded in, so we're gonna need to tape that, but.
Good thing you have a master taper.
Yeah, that's a Megan job. I'm gonna get all these little screws out of here and see what I see below here. You might honestly do one light at a time. No. Nah, we're gonna do both. So I probably won't show you guys dismantle and second light. It'll just magically be apart because this video would be a million miles long, and I really want to get to some of the fun stuff today because we've been doing a lot of dismantle. So we're gonna do some painting and you guys are gonna see the full transformation of these lights. That's delicate. Don't break it, Jordan. Broke those once already. So this is the backing. It's kind of like the brains of everything. Your projector lenses and your fog light lenses. That's where it's like a regular halogen, but we've got the LED in it right now. This is the brain box for the sequentials and the daytime running lights. This would be your cover that goes over top. And as you can see, this is where I broke the wires, so we don't have a working board right there actually right now. I might actually try to solder that back together this winter. This is the cover for side sequentials. That's like nice eyebrow that everybody sees. And then you cover on top of it all with your LEDs for your sequential. Pretty sweet. It's like a blown up light right there, just to kind of show you how it all goes together. But I think it's time to change the color on this one. I'm excited. Are you? Well, unfortunately, we were not able to get both lights done in time to be able to drop the video all at once for you guys. With that said, we have the second one hopefully going into paint tonight. Yeah, the paint just wouldn't take, so we're gonna try some degreaser and tack rags and some new adhesive promoter and all sorts of stuff to maybe help the paint, because it just kept cracking and it looked really, really crappy. But I'll give you guys some B-roll of the finished product on the other one, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace. The hexagons, they're not staying. They're just a vinyl sticker. We tried it, we thought we may like it, but it does not match the honeycomb well enough for us to keep it. I don't like it.